In the hands of an aggrieved public baying for accountability, Gela's displays of privilege and luxury have become symbols of dynastic entitlement and the widening gap between those who govern and those who struggle to get by. She crossed over from TikTok darling to budding actress under Rise Artist Studio, only to have her ascent disrupted by the weight of her surname. Gela's full name is Angela Marie Effie Mago Alonte, though she is more widely known simply as Gela Alonte on social media and in showbiz. She was born on July 25, 2002, making her 23 years old as of 2025. Astrologically, Gela falls under the sign of Leo, associated with confidence and a flair for the spotlight. In the Chinese zodiac, she is a water horse, linked to spirited energy and adaptability. For her 22nd birthday last year, Gela celebrated with an adrenaline-filled adventure, skydiving over the Swiss Alps with Skydive Interlaken. She jumped from approximately 14,000 feet, opting for both the photo and video packages to capture the experience. According to the Hotspots website, a basic heli jump of such height costs around Chuff 450 with add-ons worth Chuff 140,230. The total package runs close to Chuff 60700. Converted into Philippine peso, that's approximately 38,000 Philippine pesos to 44,000 Philippine pesos. Gela hails from Biñan City, Laguna, a bustling city in southern Luzon known for its mix of heritage and modern developments. Biñan is famous for delicacies like puto Biñan, its historic role in the Philippine Revolution, and its steady economic growth as part of the Calabarzon industrial hub. The city provides both a cultural anchor and a political fixture to Gela's family life. Gela was born into one of Biñan City's most established political families. Her father, Angelo Gel Belisario Alonte, runs the city of Biñan as its mayor. Before this, Gela's dad served as vice mayor for 3 terms from 2016 to May 2025. Meanwhile, her aunt Marlene Lan Alonte once carried the banner of the city in Congress as its representative. Before them came her grandfather, Bayani Arthur M. Alonte, who also served as mayor of Biñan, keeping the Alonte name firmly tied to the city's political history. On her grandmother Efirlinda B. Alonte's side, Gela is connected to another legacy, as the great-granddaughter of philanthropist Dr. Ildefonso Belisario, remembered in Biñan for his civic contributions. Gela's mother, Jocelyn Mago Alonte, built her career in the private sector, serving as operations manager at Rains Place Corporation, a company involved in dormitory, hotel, and commercial developments and management. The budding actress was raised alongside 2 younger siblings, who were named in their dad's inaugural speech as mayor, Arthur Angelo and Adelaide Samara. Gela pursued her college studies at the Ateneo de Manila University, a premier private Jesuit institution in Quezon City known for academic excellence as one of the top universities in the country. She earned her bachelor's degree in life science and biochemistry before continuing her path in medicine. As of 2025, She is pursuing medical studies at the University of the East Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Medical Center, Yermak. Gela first gained traction as a content creator. Her biggest platform is TikTok, where she has amassed over 636,500 followers and more than 20.6 million likes. On Instagram, she has around 196,000 followers, while her other social media accounts continue to build momentum. Much of her content features lifestyle snippets, adventures, and her trademark style. In 2025, Gela made her acting debut in the digital series adaptation of the hit Wattpad story with over 326 million reads online, The Four Bad Boys and Me by Tina Lotta Blue Maiden. The project, which premiered on July 31, 2025, on the ABS-CBN Entertainment YouTube channel, was produced by ABS-CBN in collaboration with Lone Wolf Films and directed by Benedict Meek. Gela took on the role of J.C. Lopez, described in the story as the sister with a secret affair. It was her first performance on screen, placing her alongside a youthful cast that included Jello Rivera of Bio, Harvey Bautista, Dustin Mayers, River Joseph, and Angie Salvation. She also shared billing with Brent Manalo, A.C. Bonifacio, Annalane Salvador, and Crystal Brimmer. Gela is fond of traveling, a fact easily confirmed by browsing her Instagram feed. Her photos show her exploring cities and natural landscapes alike. She poses in scroll-stopping outfits across destinations from Germany, France, and Switzerland to South Korea, Japan, Hawaii, and Los Angeles. Another interest of hers is Formula One racing. At the 2023 Singapore Grand Prix, she revealed her support for Spanish race car driver Carlos Sainz Jr. She expressed her excitement at witnessing firsthand what fans and racing insiders often call the 30-year-old driver, a smooth operator. Publicly, Gela has only been linked to River Joseph, the fourth big placer alongside as Martinez and Pino Big Brother, Celebrity Collab Edition. Before becoming a housemate, River had already been appearing in many of Gela's TikTok videos. And during his stay in the PB house, Gela continued to document his thoughtful gestures, one of which was arranging bouquet deliveries and sending sweet messages for their month series, even while separated by the show. A clip of Gela resurfaced online in light of heightened criticism toward children of political families flaunting wealth. In the viral TikTok live video from 2024, she was asked, "What are your thoughts about political dynasties here in the Philippines?" Gela replied candidly, "Paano ba iyon nasa political dynasty iyong pamilya ko?" before laughing and adding, "I mean, controversial." When the video re-emerged in 2025, Gela faced backlash from netizens critical of political dynasties. She admitted regret over her earlier response, and said she had already reflected on the mistake even before the video resurfaced. "I know the clip from a year ago upset a lot of people, and I understand why. I shouldn't have answered the question the way I did, or at all." "I didn't laugh out of pride or arrogance. It was a nervous response to a question I knew would be met with criticism no matter how I answered. That was my mistake, and I take accountability for how I handled that moment." She also appealed for understanding, noting that everyone makes mistakes. Nobody is perfect, yet so many of you act like you've never had any mistakes in your life just cause they aren't publicized. It's not fair to use others' mistakes against them when you can call them out properly and give them a chance to grow and learn. Some netizens also questioned why she pursued medicine instead of courses aligned with politics. Gela responded, "My decision to pursue medicine does not change my background, but I hope it shows that I am working toward my own path. I can only speak for myself, for my choices, my values, and how I move forward, and I hope I get the chance to do that on my own terms." In closing, she reiterated that she had apologized and would focus on growth rather than debate. "I've said what I needed to say and I stand by it. What others say and assume are out of my control, but I'll keep focusing on growing, not arguing." The criticism toward Gela Alonte comes at a time when Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto has publicly reminded political families about modest living. In a Facebook comment he left under one of his posts on August 28, 2025, Vico cited Section 4H of RA 6713 or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials, which states, "Public officials and employees and their families shall lead modest lives appropriate to their positions and income. They shall not indulge in extravagant or ostentatious display of wealth in any form." While his statement did not mention anyone by name, it fueled an already heightened discussion around political kin, placing figures like Gela squarely in the spotlight as part of the national conversation on visibility, privilege, and accountability.